It's here! I'm so excited to tell you about our brand new product for bag making, Classic Fuse Woven Interfacing. So I created Classic Fuse because I really couldn't find anything like it in stores. Now, I know that there are a lot of interfacing options out there, so today I want to show you why ours is different. I am Chris, the owner of Simply Classic, and for the past year we've been working on Classic Fuse Woven Interfacing. It's finally here, and it's an excellent alternative to products like Pellon SF101. It's fusible, meaning it has a heat-activated adhesive on the back. It's also sewable, so it won't gum up your needle or leave residue. It was designed by bag makers for bag makers. It's really the best interfacing for lightweight fabrics commonly used in bag making like cotton, silk, linen, rayon, etc. And it's also great for garment making, quilting, embroidery, and pretty much anything else that you would typically use woven interfacing for. So let's look at what makes Classic Fuse superior to other interfacings out there. The biggest difference between Classic Fuse and other brands is the adhesive we use. Most fusible interfacing uses glue dots on the back, like you see here on this black piece of our competitor's interfacing. When you heat this up, the glue spreads outwards from the center of the dot, but it doesn't quite melt evenly. You can end up with inconsistencies like bubbling and gapping, which can really look sloppy. Now, this is our Classic Fuse interfacing. Instead of using glue dots like other brands, we completely coated the back with a thin layer of heat-activated adhesive, sometimes called curtain glue backing. That allows it to melt evenly and consistently, which gives us a very professional and polished finish. Here's another brand of interfacing, and I want you to pay attention to the hand of this fabric. It's quite stiff, right? If we compare the two, we can see that Classic Fuse is a lot more flexible. At the same time, it's still stable enough to provide plenty of support for your lining. So for example, this piece of fabric has not been interfaced and this one has. You can see it's nice and stable, but it's still soft and easy to work with. The Woven Fuse interfacing gives your cotton, linen, or other linings good stability and helps retard wrinkles. We have 3 sizes available: 2-yard, 5-yard, and 10-yard. All sizes are 59 inches wide, which is significantly wider than most other interfacing. You're pretty much getting 30% more product. All sizes come packaged like this for easy shipping and display. So to recap, there are 3 reasons why you are going to love Classic Fuse Woven Interfacing. 1, it has fully fusible adhesive backing, not glue dots. 2, it gives you at least 30% more usable fabric per yard. 3, it gives you crisp edges and stability without sacrificing softness. So get your Classic Fuse Woven Interfacing now at simplyclassic.net and through Brewer Sewing. Again, it's available in 2, 5, and 10-yard packs. Give it a try and see the difference it makes in your bag making.